With their space-saving design, compact pallet racks are great for campus operations warehouses to store large and bulky items like furniture, maintenance equipment, custodial supplies, and more. While overcrowded warehouses lead to inefficiencies in retrieving items, the compact pallet racks convert static aisles and unused space into racks that move when and where you need it. This results in fewer aisles, better space utilization, more storage racking, and quicker retrieval times. A unique feature of the compact pallet racks includes multiple safety features to protect users and stored materials. For example, emergency sensors stop the motion of the carriages if someone is in the aisle to prevent injury or product damage. While improving safety and ergonomics, the compacting racks can also help you implement a more efficient inventory storage and management system than ever before in just a fraction of the space. For more information about compacting your storage space, call us at 1-800-803-1083 or email us at info@southwestsolutions.com.